Senator Victor Umeh Bidoriana 2001. That's 25 years ago. I'm on Nnobi. Victor Umeh follow this gentleman who is Nnobi. He said, who is he? I was saying he's going to run for governorship. That is in 2001. I remember it because of the 9/11 episode, because it happened at the same time. He submitted his CV. His CV was wonderful. At the time, we were dealing with somebody from Nnobi. And some of us said, this man from Nnobi is not taking us anywhere. We have to look for somebody else that will make Anambra better. So in 2003, the election came. It was voted for. It was moved to somebody else. We had all the polling booth results. In 2006, he was returned, and 2006, I think March 17th, March 15 or 16, March 17, he started the government of Africa. And then he called us, we joined in July 16, 2006. As the pioneer people. When we joined his government, he wasn't telling us, in fact our salary was even less than that of the taxes when we were there. I left the government in 2008, 2009, and I told him, look, I've joined your government and I'm poorer than your government. Because my people said you now have to be the Igwe Engr. So we've learned a lot from him. What we've learned from him is what Senator Victor Umeh is practicing. And we thank him for that. We are praying that Nigeria should give him the opportunity to put into practice what he is saying. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nnobi. Before you make the payment, there were two people who came late for this scholarship. We have closed everything, so they will not be in this payment you are making. But because of the way they cried when they came to my house, I will take their own fees from my pockets to pay them. One is from Obeledu, Okoye, Mary Jane. There is another one, Moroga, I think from my hometown. He missed the list. Is he here? So just tell them I'll do private payment for them immediately they come. So they can now register them in the next year. They will not miss this year. Thank you very much.